Let's break down the steps to the count. So first we're going to do slow New York Cuban breaks. 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Split Cuban breaks, and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Spot turn, and 2, 3, 4 and 1. Lady New York check with 3-step turn to left, and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. New York with Ronde Chasse, and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. New York check with 3-step turn, 2, 3 and 4 and 1. And now to the count, please. 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3 and 4 and 1.